In this video, I'll show you how to publish a scheduled post on your Facebook page using the app. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account that manages the page. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu, then tap Pages and select the page you manage. Once your page opens, look for the Professional Dashboard or Publishing Tools section and tap on it. Inside this section, find the Scheduled Posts option to see posts that are planned to be published later. Tap Scheduled Posts to open the list. Now select the post you want to publish immediately. After opening the post, tap the three dots in the corner of the screen to see more options. From the menu, choose Publish Now. Facebook will ask you to confirm your action. Tap Publish and the post will be published on your page right away instead of waiting for the scheduled time. This is helpful if you want your content to go live earlier than planned. That's how you can publish a scheduled post on Facebook easily. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.